Hello and welcome to our video on Blockzia, the next generation of the Internet. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 reasons why Web3 is the future of the Internet. If you're new to Web3, don't worry, we will explain everything you need to know. Decentralization. One of the biggest advantages of Web3 is decentralization. Unlike the current centralized system, Web3 is built on a decentralized network, where there is no central authority controlling the system. This means that there is no single point of failure, making the system more secure and resilient. Transparency. Another advantage of Web3 is transparency. The decentralized nature of Web3 allows for a transparent system where all transactions are recorded on a public ledger. This means that users can see exactly where their data is going and how it's being used. Web3 also offers increased privacy. With current centralized systems, users' personal data is often collected and sold to third parties without their consent. However, with Web3, users have complete control over their data and can choose who they want to share it with. Smart contracts. Web3 also introduces smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, reduces costs, and increases efficiency. Decentralized applications, dApps. Finally, Web3 allows for the development of decentralized applications, dApps. These dApps run on a decentralized network, which means that they are not controlled by any central authority. This allows for greater innovation and creativity in application development. In conclusion, Web3 is the future of the Internet. With its decentralized network, transparency, increased privacy, smart contracts, and dApps, Web3 offers numerous advantages over the current centralized system. As more and more people adopt Web3, we can expect to see a new era of innovation and creativity in the Internet space.